The 2025 Subaru WRX lineup undergoes some significant changes, starting with the elimination of the base model. This raises the WRX's starting price by $3,065, bringing it to $36,920, with the premium trim now serving as the entry-level option. Meanwhile, the all-new manual-only TS takes the place of the previous TR trim, offering a host of performance upgrades and starting at $46,875. Subaru's decision to cut the base model comes as a result of low demand, as most buyers have opted for the more premium trims. As a result, the WRX Premium now starts at $36,920, an increase of $1,165 over last year's base model. That's $3,065 more than the previous entry-level WRX. The 2025 WRX Premium still comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, with the option to add a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT) for an additional $1,350. The limited trim now starts at $41,300, up by $1,165 from the previous year, with the CVT option priced at $1,550. The new TS and GT models both begin at $46,875, each offering unique performance features. Every WRX is equipped with all-wheel drive and a 271-horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 engine. The TS and GT models, however, come with specially tuned suspensions featuring adaptive dampers. While the GT is only available with a CVT and 18-inch wheels, the TS exclusively offers a manual transmission, 19-inch wheels, and standard Bridgestone Potenza S007 summer tires. As the most performance-focused WRX, the TS also boasts Brembo brakes with 6-piston front calipers and larger rotors. Expect the 2025 WRX lineup to hit dealerships early next year.